Hello friends, in this video we will see a good recipe to make roti pockets with stuffing. These pockets are made using wheat flour and no yeast or baking soda needs to be added. Let's prepare the dough first. Mix 3 cups wheat flour with 1 teaspoon salt. Use lukewarm water to make a soft dough. Knead the dough well and apply some oil. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare the stuffing. Ingredients needed are 2 tablespoons oil, 1 green chilli, 1.5 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon sugar, 200 grams paneer cut into small cubes. Replace paneer with chicken or tofu. 1 cup cabbage, 1 medium onion, 3 green onion stalks. Preheat tawa. Add green chilies to hot oil. Then add sugar. Adding sugar in oil gives good color and flavor. Then saute onions for 3 minutes. Add cabbage, cook for a minute. Then add chili garlic sauce and salt. Add paneer cubes and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon ketchup or more chili sauce to bind the ingredients together. In the end, add green onions and let it cook for some time. Turn off flame when paneer is cooked and coated well in the sauce. Let's start making the pockets now. Take lemon-sized dough and make 2 equal small-sized balls. Roll both to equal circles. Don't make it very thin. Spread some oil on one of them. Dust with some flour. Place the other one on top and seal the ends. When you roll, don't press too hard in the center. Make sure the ends are sealed well. Dust with more flour and roll it to a circle. Preheat tawa. Place the rolled dough on the tawa and cook on one side until bubbles start forming. Turn and cook the other side. Spread some oil, turn and repeat. both sides are cooked well, transfer to a plate. Let it cool. When you are ready to serve, make a slit along the center. You'll get a nice pocket after cutting. Fill it with stuffing. Enjoy this fun roti pockets with any dry stuffing of your choice. Hope you like this recipe. Please leave your feedback in comment section. Check description box for the written recipe. Take care and thanks for watching.